Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on object styles to change your text permanently or as you need it. But if you go under Windows, go down to Dockers and go to Object Styles, this comes up and you can open this right here and you can go to the Artistic Media brush. And this is pretty cool. I didn't even know this until I started playing around with it. You grab your Artistic Media brush and use it. You can also go right here and turn it into different conical fields. And then when you use your artistic media brush, it gives you different selections. Let's do, this is a radial elliptical field. And it doesn't really show off there, but we can change let's change our pin, what do they call it, a pin path to 2 inches. And then when you do it, it gives you a cool effect. I'm thinking I'm even going to start maybe using this for some sort of 3D engraving and use this for some sort of flower. Control D and make a duplicate. Rotate that thing around, get it to like 15 degrees. And what it does, and I've run in this before, you've got to go to arrange and break it apart and get that line out of there, which is invisible. So Control D and make a duplicate, change your rotation to that point right there. Let's rotate it 15 degrees and you could make a pretty cool 3D flower that quick. And I think that would engrave pretty well. Anyway, so I have object styles. You can do the artistic text like I've already done, graphic, paragraph text, and change a lot of parameters inside here. And always, like in the previous video, you can revert back to the new document default, and then your pen has gone back to solid black. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.